in China. Have fun, do what you love, hope, and I know one day I'm gonna get there. Oh my god. Jujutsu Kaisen. Pew! Kenchana wins. Flawless victory. Ha 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 ha. Jujutsu Kaisen. Watashi wasta. Oppa. Bye bye. Namaste. Pew. Hi JFab. Dye my hair with me while I tell you about why I decided to go into content creating. I got this temporary hair dye from an online store in China, which you can apply directly to your hair if you don't mind your hands being stained. Otherwise, I would recommend using disposable gloves throughout the process. So content creation. Guys, I thought it was easy. So I first had the idea of content creation, I think about 3 or 4 years ago, because I used to be mostly active on Snap and I used to take videos a lot, take pictures, like, just have fun. One day someone just told me, hey, why don't you invest into social media, YouTube, TikTok? So I'm like, oh, why don't I just give it a shot? So I decided to film and edit my first video, which was I think about 2 years ago when I was still in China. And mind you, TikTok and YouTube is back in China. I know this might not come as a surprise, but yeah, it is. That's like literally one swipe. Oh my god, I forgot to put the towel. I barely knew anything about TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, because I rarely went on there, so I just decided to give it a try for the first time. I started posting consistently. My views were rising. I had my first 100 followers, and oh my god, guys, no one slept in my house that day. And at that time I was making videos back to back, but I wasn't getting the time to edit them properly. As time went on, I got tired. I started to lose interest because it got to a time my views were like stuck, and instead of going up, they were going down. That discouraged me a lot. I started watching influencers, YouTubers, TikTokers, and all they keep saying is post that content. But girl, it's not that easy to find when to post, what niche. So at first I just decided to not niche down and go all in, just go broad. I just said to myself, girl, just have fun, do what you love, even though no one's gonna watch it or you're not gonna get the traction. I just like making videos. I like editing videos, even though I'm not so good at it. I mean, I'm learning, and I hope and I know one day I'm gonna get there. How does this dry? I guess we'll never know. Oh, I'm supposed to comb it. Let's see if it's transfer proof. think it worked. Final results tomorrow, 11:17 p.m. and past my bedtime. Oh, let's get it. Ah! Watashi wa star. Watashi wa star. Ah! It didn't turn out bad though. What do you think? See ya tomorrow. Jujutsu Kaisen. Pew. Kenchana wins. Flawless victory. Jujutsu Kaisen. Watashi wa star. Oppa. Bye bye. Namaste. I love my mother. I got an idea. I put the cap on. I feel so smart right now. Final look.
Give it a Lord and Savior. Give it a Lord and Savior. Give it a Lord and Savior.
My hands are still stained, but it's washable. It's totally washable. Thank you guys for staying with me. I hope you like the look and let me know what you think. It's crazy. I like it. Anyways, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And I'm late for work.
Without him, just you gotta see every single time you need him. I promise he'll be right there.